You're not tired because you work too much. You're tired because you give your energy to the wrong things. You wake up already tired. You scroll your phone, compare your life, worry about everything. You give your mind away before the day even begins. And then you wonder, why am I so exhausted? Why don't I feel motivated? It's not your fault. No one teaches you this. Your energy is your most powerful gift. It's your fuel, your focus, your fire. But every day something is stealing it from you. You try to stay positive, but you end up empty. You try to focus, but distractions pull you away. You try to grow, but your power is already gone before you start. This video is your wake-up call. If you keep wasting your energy on the wrong things, you will never have enough for the right ones. But the good news is you can take it back. You can learn where your energy goes. You can learn how to protect it, use it, and build a life you love. And while we do that, you'll also be building your English skills, your speaking, listening, and understanding. Welcome to English Starline, where we don't just learn English. We grow stronger, we grow smarter, we grow together. So take a deep breath. This is the moment you begin. Don't waste your energy. Let's begin. Part 1. Energy thieves. What's draining you? You are not weak. You are not lazy. You are just tired. Because something is stealing your energy. Think about it. You start the day with a full battery, but by lunch you feel empty. Why? It's not your job. It's not your family. It's the invisible thieves you don't notice. The first thief is mindless scrolling. You open your phone for 5 minutes. You stay for 2 hours. You didn't plan it, but now your energy is gone. The second thief is overthinking. You replay the past. You imagine the worst. You ask what if 100 times a day. This doesn't solve problems, it creates stress. The third thief is trying to please everyone. You say yes when you want to say no. You carry problems that are not yours. You smile when you are tired inside. And the fourth thief is doing too much at once. You multitask. You jump from one thing to another. You think it's smart, but it makes you slower, not faster. These small actions may look normal, but they are eating your energy one drop at a time. Let me ask you this. What if you gave your energy only to the things that matter? What if you protected it like gold? This is the first step. Catch the thieves. Stop the leaks. Because when you stop wasting your energy on the wrong things, you finally have the power to build the right life. Let's keep going. There's more you need to see. Part 2. The silent killer, mental overload. Your brain is not tired. It's overloaded. You wake up and start thinking. Too many thoughts, too many choices, too many worries. You don't rest, you just switch problems. It's like having 50 browser tabs open in your mind. Every thought takes a little power. Together they drain you before breakfast. Mental overload is real. You feel it as anxiety, as brain fog, as the feeling of I can't do this anymore. But here's the truth. Your brain is not broken, it's just full. So what's filling it? Too many decisions. From what to wear, to what to eat, to how to reply to every message. Every small choice takes energy. Too much information. News notifications, noise. You don't just learn, you drown. Too much comparing. You look at others and feel behind. You think you need to be faster, better, richer, smarter. But comparison is a thief of joy and energy. So how do you fix it? Start closing mental tabs. Write your thoughts down. Keep a simple to-do list. Plan your day before it starts. Limit decisions. Wear the same type of clothes. Eat the same breakfast. Save your energy for what really matters. Take mini breaks. Close your eyes for 60 seconds. Breathe. Just breathe. This simple act resets your system. And most important, talk kindly to yourself. Stop saying I'm stupid. Start saying I'm learning. Energy is not just physical. It's mental. Protect your mind and your whole life changes. Ready for the next step. Let's talk about the people around you and how they affect your energy. Part 3. Emotional vampires. Who's stealing your power? Some people charge your spirit. Others drain it dry. You feel it, don't you? After spending time with certain people, you feel heavy. Tired, angry, lost. These are emotional vampires. They don't bite. They don't scream. But they take your peace. They take your energy. Sometimes it's the friend who always complains. Sometimes it's the boss who never says thank you. Sometimes it's family people you love but who always pull you down. And the worst part, you stay quiet. You smile. You say it's okay. But inside you are breaking. Let's be clear. You are not here to fix everyone. You are not here to carry everyone's problems. If someone brings you pain more than peace, you don't need to hate them. But you do need to protect yourself. Set boundaries. Say, I can't talk right now. Say, I need some space. Say, that's not okay with me. These are not rude words. These are survival tools. Give energy to those who respect it. Spend time with people who lift you up. People who listen, who support, who celebrate your growth. And remember, not everyone deserves access to you. Kindness is free, but your energy is not. Speak with care. Listen with love. But protect your peace like it's your home. Because it is. Your emotional space is your energy space. And every time you let someone break it, you lose a piece of yourself. No more. Now let's talk about one of the biggest energy traps of all, being busy but going nowhere. Part 4. The productivity trap. Doing more, becoming less. You check your to-do list. 10 things done, still, you feel empty. Why? Because you're busy but not growing. Working hard but not moving forward. This is the trap. The productivity trap. It looks like progress, but it steals your energy and gives nothing back. You answer emails. You clean your room. You run from one task to another. But deep down, you know the truth. You're avoiding the things that really matter. Real productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Ask yourself, will this task change my life? Will this bring me closer to my goals? Or am I just filling time? Because I'm scared to start the real work. Let's look at 2 people. One does 5 deep focused tasks. The other does 20 small easy ones. Who wins? Always the first. Because energy is not just about time. It's about intention. It's about depth. Want your energy back? Then stop trying to do everything. Start doing the right things. Here's a simple rule. If it won't matter in 5 years, don't spend more than 5 minutes on it. And another one, do your hardest task first. That's your frog. Eat it early. The rest of the day gets easier. Also cut the noise. Turn off notifications. Say no to distractions. You are not a machine. You are a creator. You don't need to be fast. You need to be focused. Because when your energy goes to what truly matters, you don't just feel alive. You become unstoppable. Now it's time. Let's learn how to take your energy back for good. Part 5. Take back your energy. Simple shifts, big results. You don't need more energy. You need fewer leaks. You already have power inside you, but it's going to the wrong places. Let's fix that step by step. 1. Start the day with purpose. Don't reach for your phone. Reach for your focus. Stretch, breathe, drink water. Say one sentence out loud. Today I protect my energy. Say it every morning. Let it become your armor. 2. Use the power hour. Give the first hour of your day to yourself. No distractions, no drama. Use it to learn, move, or create. 1 hour for growth every single day. That's 365 hours of power every year. 3. Say no without guilt. Every yes you give to others is a no to yourself. Protect your time like gold. Say, I can't help right now. Say, thanks for asking, but I need to rest. These words are not rude. They are responsible. 4. Control your digital diet. Your phone is not the enemy. Your habits are: turn off all non-essential notifications. Unfollow people who make you feel small. Set a timer when using apps. Use your phone with purpose, not as a prison. 5. End your day with peace. Before bed, write down 3 things. What gave me energy today? What took it away? What will I change tomorrow? This reflection turns your day into a lesson. Small habits, big change. You don't need to do everything at once. Just one shift at a time. Your energy is like money. Spend it wisely and it will grow. And always remember, you are not weak. You are not broken. You are simply learning how to use your power. Let's finish this journey together. One last message awaits you. Conclusion. You deserve to feel powerful again. You were not born to feel tired all the time. You were not made to give your energy away and get nothing back. You were born to create, to grow, to speak with power, to live with purpose. But that can only happen when you protect your energy. So remember what you've learned today. Catch the thieves, distraction, overthinking, toxic people. Close the tabs, clear your mind, clear your space. Say no, respect yourself. Choose depth over speed. And start each day with purpose. These changes are not hard. They are habits. And habits create transformation. You don't need to do it perfectly. You just need to begin. So take this moment. Make one promise to yourself. I will no longer waste my energy. Because when you protect your energy, you protect your dreams. You protect your voice. You protect your future. Thank you for learning with us today. This is English Starline, your home for English fluency, personal growth, and powerful motivation. If you're ready to learn more, grow more, and speak with confidence, subscribe now. Let's keep building the best version of you in English and in life. Your energy is back. Now go use it.
Thanks for watching English Starline. Subscribe now to keep learning English through the amazing stories of famous lives.